In this video, I will show you how to highlight cells in Google Sheets. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets and select the cell or range of cells you want to highlight. You can click a single cell or click and drag to select multiple cells. The simplest way to highlight cells is by changing the fill color. After selecting your cells, go to the toolbar at the top and click on the fill color icon, which looks like a paint bucket. Then choose any color you like. Instantly, the selected cells will be highlighted. This method is great for manually marking important data, such as totals, deadlines, or key values. Highlighting cells helps make your spreadsheet easier to read and allows important information to stand out clearly. So that's how to highlight cells in Google Sheets. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.